Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Payoneer with your Amazon Seller Central. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. Now that we have opened it up, we can get started logging in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you want to log in. If you do not already have an Amazon Seller account, what you want to do is sign up for one so you can explore the plans. You can choose the one you prefer, and once ready, you can create your account. So now we can get started logging in, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. That's going to look something like this. It's going to look like this, where you can get started managing your catalog, your inventory options, orders, and all your store settings all from there. And now we can get started connecting Payoneer. So what we're going to do is follow the steps right here on Payoneer.com that says how we can get started getting paid by Amazon using Payoneer. So as you can see, they're empowering thousands of Amazon sellers using the Payoneer options. You can get started connecting Amazon and Payoneer. So what you're going to do is get your local bank details. Then you can go to Amazon Seller Central into the settings and click account info. So here in the dashboard, you can find your settings that you want to open up. By opening up settings, you can click on account info. From there, in the deposit method section, you're going to choose add and select your home country. Then we can get started entering our bank location details and get started inputting our Payoneer options. We can get started getting our earnings. So we're going to go to Seller Central activity when we withdraw our money from our bank account. So here you're going to have the activity section in your dashboard. Then we can get started with connecting our Payoneer with Amazon. It's easiest that you can go and follow the steps for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.